Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss about 3 financial benefits you get as a Canadian that can help you in tough and difficult situations. I would highly recommend to watch the video till the end so you can get the detailed information about each of them. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe it, and I would highly recommend if you share it with your friends so they can also get benefits out of it. Alright, so let's start with the first benefit. Old age security is a monthly payment to the Canadians over the age of 65. Sounds easy, right? But it's not as simple as it seems. OAS is supposed to be a universal benefit for all seniors in Canada, and there are certain conditions and eligibility criteria you need to meet in order to receive the maximum payments. To be eligible, the first and most important thing is you need to be a Canadian citizen or a permanent resident. Then you have lived in Canada for at least 40 years after the age of 18. However, if you've lived in Canada for less than 10 years, you're not eligible at all. The good news is most seniors in Canada easily qualify for the old age security regardless of whether they worked or paid taxes all their lives. The maximum monthly OAS amount in 2022 was $685.50, and it also increases by 10% when the recipient turns 75. The payouts are also indexed to reflect inflation every quarter. But here's the catch. If your income is above a certain threshold, you will be subject to clawbacks. Basically, if you have a significant amount of income from investments, company pensions, or RRSP withdrawals, you may earn too much money to receive the full OAS benefits. So there you have it. Old age security in Canada is a great benefit for seniors, but there are some conditions and limitations that you need to keep in mind. Now let's look at the Canadian Pension Plan, or CPP. Canadian Pension Plan is a social insurance program for Canadians who have worked, collected income, and filed taxes in their lifetime in Canada. And if you work in Quebec, you'll contribute to Quebec Pension Plan, which is QPP, and it's different than CPP. To qualify, you must have worked for an income, declared that income, and contributed to CPP in advance. The good news is you've already done all of that by just filing your taxes if you're over 18 and you have employment earnings. Contributing to CPP is mandatory for workers in Canada, and you can't opt out. The calculation of your CPP contribution isn't simple and changes year by year based on average salaries, but you can check your contribution amount by signing into the CRA if your net income is below $3,500. You won't contribute anything and you'll stop paying into the program at the maximum pensionable earnings for the tax year. For traditional employees, employer pays the half of the contribution, or in other words, employer matches the contribution of employees, whereas self-employed people pay both sides. To accommodate people who didn't work due to various reasons such as disabilities or parental leave and many more, their lowest 7 to 8 contribution years are dropped from the payout calculation so as not to lower the overall average income. The more you contribute over the working years, the bigger monthly CPP check will be after the retirement. The CPP was originally meant to replace 25% of someone's pre-retirement income, but the Canadian government raised contribution rates to correspond with 33% of replaced income post-retirement. The enhanced contribution rates are being phased in, and how much you receive will depend on how much and for how long you made the enhanced contributions. And CPP is also indexed to inflation. So that was CPP, Canadian Pension Plan. Now let's look at another deduction from the monthly paycheck, which is EI, Employment Insurance. EI is a government-run program that provides financial support to eligible Canadians who lost their job. But what exactly is EI and how does it work? EI is a program designed to help Canadians who lost their job through no fault of their own. To be eligible for EI benefits, you must have worked a certain number of hours in the past year and you must have lost your job due to circumstances beyond your control. Some of the most common reasons to receive EI benefits include layoffs, illness, or maternity or parental leave. To receive EI benefits, you must first apply for them. This can be done online, over the phone, or in person at a Service Canada office. When you apply, you will be asked to provide information about your employment history and the reason why you lost your job. Once your application is approved, you will receive EI benefits for a certain number of weeks, which can range from 14 to 45 weeks, depending on the region and the state of the economy. One important thing to note is that EI benefits are not a permanent solutions. They are meant to provide a temporary financial support to help you get back on your feet after losing your job. During this time, you are expected to actively look for a new employment opportunity and also participate in job search activities provided by the government. EI benefits are also taxed as income just like your regular paychecks, and the amount of benefits you receive each week will be based on your previous job's average weekly earnings. Just in last year 2022, the average weekly EI benefit was around $541. That's not too bad on a weekly basis. So there you have it. Employment insurance or EI in Canada is a program designed to help Canadians who have lost their job due to no fault of their own. And if you find yourself in a similar situation, it's important for you to know that what are the options available to you and how you can apply for the EI benefits. In summary, OAS Old Age Security provides a monthly benefit to seniors regardless of their income or employment history. CPP Canadian Pension Plan provides a pension based on contributions and income, and EI Employment Insurance provides temporary financial assistance to those who are unemployed. So that was about some of the benefits you get in Canada, which is OAS, CPP and EI. If you found this content useful and informative, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's it from my side guys. I'll see you next time.